Let's make some rum hot chocolate. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make some rum hot chocolate. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. When I was researching this drink, I came across a lot of hot chocolate recipes that had booze in them. Most of them had vodka. I don't know why you drink vodka over rum, but what do I know? I even found one that had tequila in it, which was interesting to me. I didn't go with that one either. Again, I'm a rum guy, and we're doing rum hot chocolate. Even amongst the ones that had rum in them, there's a lot of variation. Some of them just had rum, some had white rum, some had spice rum, some had dark rum. Some had liqueur on top of it. We're going to do what works for me. And if you have something that you prefer, feel free to let me know what it is in the comments down below. A note on the rum. As I said earlier, you can use any rum in your hot chocolate that you'd like. I'm going to be using Mount Gay Eclipse today, but I've used spice rum, I've used white rums. They all work. They work in different ways, but they all work. So find a rum that you like and mix your hot chocolate with it and call it good. To make this rum hot chocolate recipe, we are going to start with the rum. I'm using 1.5 ounces of my rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And I'm going to put it in a tempered glass. You can use a mug if you'd prefer. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of crème de cacao. I have tried other liqueurs in here as well. I particularly like cherry liqueurs like a Hearing. Today we're using crème de cacao, 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. And we're using this because it's my wife's favorite. Now I'm going to go heat up my hot chocolate. I'll be right back with you. And here we have some homemade hot chocolate. I do have a recipe for this on the channel. Link will be down below in the video if you want to try it for yourself. Otherwise, if you just have some cocoa powder and want to mix that with water, go for it. It's not the best. This is better, but do what you like. And I'm just going to top off my glass with this. Set this aside. Garnish. Some people like marshmallows. Some people like Ready Whip. I prefer neither usually, but we're using Ready Whip because it takes nicer pictures. Do I have to shake? I think I shake. Make it as pretty as you'd like. And I can't make it very pretty. And finally, I'm going to grate a little bit of chocolate on top. Oh, that broke. It broke again. And there you have it. Rum hot chocolate. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your favorite booze to mix with your hot chocolate? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you'd like a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt too. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're there, might as well follow, subscribe, do whatever you do on those things. Finally, if you've made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any other delicious rum cocktails that I make. And until next time, cheers.